These AI funny movie clip videos are blowing up right now, and people are getting insane views using just one simple method. So today, I'll show you exactly how to create these movie clip videos with AI, step by step. First, we need a video clip. Go to YouTube, search for your desired movie clip, and download it using this simple method. I've already downloaded the video. Now you can use any editing software. I personally use Adobe Premiere Pro, so I'll open Premiere Pro and import the downloaded file. Next, I'll cut out all the best scenes that I want to convert and export them one by one. From each clip, I'll also export the main character's image, or simply take a snapshot. After that, I'll open Kling AI in my browser and go to the Motion Control tab. Then, I'll upload the clip that I just exported. While the video is uploading, I'll open a new browser tab and use Google Gemini with the help of Nano Banana to convert the image into a simple Pixar 3D style. Make sure the image size is set according to your video's aspect ratio. Within a few minutes, your image will be converted into Pixar 3D style. Nano Banana generates very clean and accurate images, and you can download it with just one click. Now, go back to Kling AI and upload your newly created image. Then, simply click on Generate. Once the video is generated, download it. Repeat the same process for all your clips, one by one, and import them back into your editing software. Finally, arrange all the generated clips in the sequence panel according to the voiceover and scenes. After that, add overlays, text, logos, transitions, and do color grading. Then export the final video. Your video is now ready. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Smash Thought for more viral AI tutorials.